and welcome back to the vlog. If this is your first time here, I'm Just Simply T. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. I'll love to hear from you. Now today's vlog, we are going to open up my Amazon package. I'm going to see what's in my package. Alright, got one item out. Got two. And my third item. Alright. So first up we have is a charger. I accidentally rolled over my old charger. This charges to my JCBL speaker, and I roll over it with my chair, and the little piece here had broke off, so I had to go and buy another one. So I got that, and this was what, $7? I believe it was $7. But yeah, I was trying to open this up. So it comes with the head part and the USB cord. Because I wanted something with the USB. The last one I had, it was just the cord, but I wanted something that also have that. So yay! So that's beautiful. All right. So I got a new cord for my speaker, and we're going to make sure we get that charged tonight. All right, next up we have is Atolla. All right, and this is the inside of it, and it comes with, there goes the controller, and it's beautiful. Alright, so this is the USB hub. So I got one of these. I really needed one of these, like really needed one, because sometimes I have to like unplug something in order to use something else. So this is going to be coming handy. So that goes in here, and I'll put it down here. So let's test it out, okay? Let's see. Oh, there you go. Lights up. And plug it into my laptop. And we are in business. So I'm about to plug up my, this is the cord for my mic here, so, and it works. Look at that. Oh, I love that. Oh, I really like this. Okay. All right. I like that. And I actually got this on the flash deal. I got this on a flash deal for $14. Got it for $14. That's nice. Got it for a flash deal. All right. This side. And my last box. So this is a small haul compared to some of the stuff I get. I'm thinking about, like, with my next grocery store order, thinking about ordering some groceries. Thinking about it. I never did. I wanted to try. All right. Ooh. All right. I got a external drive, and it's small. I thought it was probably bigger than this. Look at that. And this is the XTX Seagate portable drive. Oh, this is really small. There you go. See that? And I'm gonna hook this up later, y'all. So, oh wow. And this is it's supposed to be a 2T. Yeah. But that's it. And you just plug it up in this and then in the computer. But I could probably just show y'all this another day. But I'm gonna hook that up tomorrow. Not tonight. Not tonight. But neato. Yeah, because I have, when I hook this up, I have like a bunch of this files that I need to transfer to this here. So that's going to be work, and I'll do that tomorrow. But that concludes the very small Amazon haul. I just brought 3 items this time around. Normally I buy a whole bunch of stuff, but it was just 3 items that I really needed. I do need a ring light, but I've been just looking around for one, and I'm playing the I'm being cheap. I really am. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and probably order a ring light, and then once I get it, I probably will do a review on it, show y'all, and also do a review on it. So anywho, that concludes the haul. And please do not forget to, again, like, subscribe, and comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. And the items that I purchased will be in the description, okay? So you can take a look at it, and if you see something you like, you can go ahead and purchase it yourself. But not bad. All right. Again, thank you for tuning in and watching, and I'll see you the next time. Bye.